is a beautiful Raspberry Pi 2 with a screen on it. It's going to play a looping video upon boot up. I finally got all the Linux stuff to work. There's where it's going. The Royale sign is from Miller Engineering. They did a great job, but it's been 10 years and it just isn't working anymore. And I decided to just keep that there. It is pretty, so we'll keep it there. And then the lighting stuff will be done on the window next to it. Also, we're putting new lights inside. It's very dark inside. So we've got some 5-volt strip lights, and we've got this power supply, which I'm trying to run through right now. So I've been stepping over there. I moved all the cars and people. I've been stepping over there. Shot the inside, you can see. Okay, this is a wire through a thing, through a straw. I'm trying to force it through the very narrow passage over there so we can hook this up with some splicing. It's going to be gosh darn interesting. So there it is, and there that is. There you go, look at that, it's starting to work now. There it is. I relit the interior. I put a new screen on, screen sign.